this is as good as Bollywood gets. It's very surreal for me to see this one. Not only it's an adaptation of my book, you all know my personal connection to the story. And this time I really gave up the baby for adoption, and it grew up to this beautiful girl that I see today. And I think all thanks to first Sajid Nadirwala, who first believed in the story a lot. Karan, Sajid both decided to come together, make it happen. To Abhishek, who is a new director, but he's a really fine director. And of course, the cast, Arjun and Alia, which is already, we hadn't released any promo, nothing. It was just smoking up the internet. Everybody's been waiting for this. So I'm absolutely delighted. I get a lot of criticism for my books, but I'll tell you, there is one book which has never been criticized, which is Two States.
This book has been with me, as you all know, for a very long time. Really, very long time. But finally, it's been adapted beautifully by Karan and Abhishek, and I thank them a lot for finally putting it on the screen. Thank you very much.
It's been actually wonderful collaborating with Sajid, and I think this film wouldn't have happened if Sajid wouldn't have graciously accepted me and Abhishek in his production agenda. And I think we are eternally grateful. He had the rights, and all I had was Abhishek. This is Abhishek's. Abhishek marks the 12th debut director that we've actually put out there, and so we're very excited for him. This is his baby all the way, and I think Sajid will agree that a film is purely a director's vision, and he had such amazing fodder to adapt from. So. I mean, thank you, Chetan, for writing your life story out there and your story of your marriage. And it was wonderful to put it together with Arjun and Alia. And so, yes, I hope, I mean, all I can say at this juncture is that I hope you enjoy the experience when you see it.
It's genuinely a dream come true for me to be able to do a film like this. When I read it, I impulsively knew as an actor I would get to do something that nobody else saw in me. And I'm grateful that Chetan wrote this. And Sajid Bhai and Karan came together and thought of taking me in this film because I was looking for something like this, and to get this opportunity to play a character like this really excited me, and it looks really nice. I'm seeing it for the first time, genuinely. I've not seen it on the big screen. I've had a blast working on this film. I've made two very, very close friends, Alia and Abhishek. And I get to work with two of the biggest banners in one go, so what more could I ask for as an actor, as an upcoming actor? I think for me, it will always hold a very special place in my heart. I know I signed this film immediately after Ishaqzade release, so that again holds tremendous value for me, that my first film got me a film like this. It's a very big film. The fact that it's Chetan's bestseller, like he said, he's been loved for this book, and just to be a part of this whole process, I feel very, very happy about it.
I remember reading Two States while I was shooting for Student, and that time I didn't know that it was going to be made into a film. I remember speaking to Abhishek once where he said that, this is an idea and all. And I, obviously, at that time, I was so young, I didn't even think that I would be able to do Two States. I didn't even think about it being a film like as such. But I remember while reading the book that, this girl, I think she's really cool. And I have a feeling if you see her, she's going to be really pretty. It has been such a learning experience for me, to work on this film, playing a Tamilian. I had a lot of fun speaking in Tamil and obviously working with the great Arjun Kapoor. So thank you, Karan, and thank you, Sajid Nadirwala, and thank you, Chetan Bhagat, for making this film, writing this book, and making it a part of our lives.